Hey everybody, it's Stephanie here and we're back with an all new video. Today we're going to be heading over to Hobby Lobby. We're going to be checking out all things fall. Now I'm hoping to get a few decorations for the kitchen, so hopefully we can find that. I just really wanted to find maybe like a tree that lit up that was kind of fall. I thought that would be kind of cute in our kitchen. We're getting new countertops maybe next week or so. So I really want to decorate for the fall, and we're having family come in, and I just want to have like the cutest kitchen and everything. So let's go. So let's head on to some of my favorite area, which is the aprons. Look how cute these are. Oh my gosh, and the color is gorgeous. They have more than they had last time we were here. Look at this, it's got, I think that's a turkey. No, it's a pumpkin. That is so cute. I love these. Crazy pumpkin lady. They have a ton of cute little measuring items. These are so cute, little foldable cup sizes, some spatulas right here, even some kids flatware. That's so cute. Oh, this is like a scraper. Oh, that's cute. It has all the measurements right there. And then if you're like going for like a very natural, neutral thing, they have a ton of stuff. And you could actually use some of the stuff like all year long. And of course, right now they're having 50% off. Oh, I love this plaid table runner. I am absolutely loving all of this like copper stuff right here. It is so shiny. It is beautiful. Oh, I love it. Love, love, love this. Oh, this is beautiful. Look how pretty that is. Let's see. So that is $26.99 and it's a 50% off. Okay, I may have to get that. That is gorgeous. And they definitely have a lot of decor over here. They've got like Indians. These are so cute. Those are cute. Oh, they have the pig. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. I love that. And look at the owl. Just so cute. Look at that. So creative. I just love it. These are so cute. They have like little plates with dogs on them, all different kinds. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, I love this little spoon rest. Look how cute that is. They have a lot of table runners that are just gorgeous. I love the pumpkin ones. I really like this one right here. This is so pretty. It's got textured and it's $29.99 and 50% off. So something fun that you guys could do is like for your kids, get them like a special socks every year to wear on Thanksgiving. And they have a lot of cute ones right here. Cute as a pumpkin. This is really cool. You can put like your solo cups in it and then put a little pin in there, and then everybody can grab a cup and put their name on it. So $12.99, 50% off. I'm definitely going to need that this year, so I'm getting one of those. Oh, this is kind of cool. It's a fitted polyester table cover. I like that. Why did it take them so long to make that? I don't know why, but that is great. It's reusable, durable, machine washable. I like that. They have lots of pumpkins, so whatever style you are looking for and color, it looks like they have a lot to choose from. If you guys don't use like real plates for Thanksgiving, which sometimes we don't, just depending on how many people we have, these are really cute plates for your dinners, and they have so many cute ones. So cute. They have the big ones, they have the small ones, they even have like this size, which probably is a better size, especially for Thanksgiving, because I like to fill my plate up. So I was looking for like a little light up tree that was all fall themed. I didn't see that, but I did see the 6-foot lighted garland, but I really want a tree. I may have to find that somewhere else. We made it back from Hobby Lobby. Let me show you what I got. First, I got this Simply Blessed sign, which I thought was so cute, and it had like the little stand right here, and it was $5.49 and 50% off. So this is gonna look really cute on my window ledge that I have in the kitchen. Also going on my window ledge is this little stand right here, and it ended up being $4. So cute. So on top of this, I'm gonna be adding this cute little pumpkin. Look how cute this is, y'all. Oh my gosh. Okay, not only that, but look. Oh, wait, why is it not working? No. Why is it not working? It's supposed to light up. It's not working. I'm so sad right now. Maybe it's something I did. I guess I should have checked it. Oh no, it's not working. Usually they have those little things out. Oh, there we go. got it working. Yes. Woohoo! There we go. So look how cute that is. It lights up. So I was thinking about putting it kind of on top of like this, and I'm gonna put like another one of those LED candles that I got the other day with my Costco Christmas preview. So I'll put a link in the description box down below of that, so if you want to check it out. But anyway, so I thought this would look so cute in my little windowsill right above my kitchen sink. And another fun thing, we got these cute little sprinkles, so we'll probably do some baking with this. Not sure exactly what we're gonna do yet, but we're gonna find something. And then in also the category of baking, we got these cute little coffee stencils, so we can put these either over coffee and like sprinkle some powdered sugar or some cocoa powder. I thought it would be also super cute with some hot chocolate. So my girls are very excited about this. And these were like, after 50% off, like $1.59, and they came with 5. So that's gonna be fun, and I think we could probably reuse them a couple times. And then of course, I went ahead and got this cup dispenser that says, grab a cup, mark it up. So we'll put our solo cups in here and then a pin. That way when people come over, they can just grab that solo cup and make their name on it, and no confusion at all. I also got this cute little Happy Thanksgiving sticker. So we're gonna put this in one of the windows, just, you know, it's festive and the kids like to put these on. They're like little sticky things, and they're always fun, and then you can just throw them out when you're done at the end of the season. Now I did do a quick little Christmas preview, but I'm gonna put that into another video. I don't know how much footage I really got, so I may go back and do it. But while I was there, I did find a couple cute little things, so I'm gonna show you that right now. In our house, we love to do puzzles, so we found these 2 cute little puzzles right here. They were also 50% off, and so they ended up being like $2 each, and they're 100 pieces, so kind of quick and easy to do. They're Christmas, and so I love them. This one's like a little cat, and it's like in a little stocking, which is so cute. And then look at the little dog. He's got a little candy cane in his mouth. Anyways, I thought it was cute, so I let my girls pick 1 each, and so they're gonna do those. I also picked up, these are little cardinal ornaments. They have a clip here on the back right there. So we can, I think what we're gonna do with these is put them on the Christmas tree, just kind of spread them out, and so it kind of has like a real natural nature feeling in our Christmas tree. So these were $5.99 and 50% off, so they ended up being $3 for like 4 of them, and they're super cute. I think I might open them up. They're so cute. They have like little feathers on them. Look how cute that is. And again, it has that little clip right there. Oh, so cute. You can make like even like put in your hair. Have a little birdie in your hair if you wanted to. That was our Hobby Lobby fall preview. I hope you guys enjoyed shopping with me, and I had a really good time. I think we found some little treasures here and there in the store. Now, if you guys want to see my Costco Christmas preview, click on the video link right here. We'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.